Hello students, let us see this question here. See, in a circuit shown in the figure, the switch S is closed at time t is equal to 0. The charge which passes through the battery in one time constant is. So, this is the LR circuit. So, you can say like the I will be equal to E upon R 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon, right. This is the time constant, right. So, I will say like I is equal to dq upon dt. So, this will become E upon R 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon this. So from here I can say, now let us take it here. So the dq will be equal to E upon R 1 minus e raised to power minus t upon tau dt, integration this. Now it is saying the charge passes through the battery in one time constant. So you have to find the total charge flowing in one time constant. So dt, right, so it will go from 0 to one time constant, and here you will get total charge. Suppose you are getting q, that will flow in one time constant. Integration of dq, you will get q. So capital Q is the total charge flowing in one time constant, and this is I have to find here. So E by R is constant, so it will come outside. Integration of 1, you will get the t here, minus integration of this, you will get minus t upon this, divided by minus 1 upon this. Alright, and limit we have to put from 0 to one time constant. So now let us see, calculate this E upon R. This will see t minus, if we will do this, minus minus will get cancel out, and 1 upon, right, 1 upon time constant. So this time constant will go up, so this will become plus, minus minus will get cancelled, so this will become plus here, this will get here, and e raised to power minus t upon this. So now like this, okay, and now limits I have to put 0 from time constant. Okay, now this value I have to calculate here. So let us erase this one here. I am erasing here. I need some space. So okay, I am taking this here. Now you will get E upon R. First I need to value of this time constant. So you will get the tau plus, okay, and here you will get this into e raised to power this, right, time constant upon time constant, right, time constant upon time constant. So this will get cancelled out, and you get e raised to power minus 1. So this will get here, this upon e. Okay, now minus, once again you have to put the 0. So this will become 0, and this is time constant, and here you will get 0 upon time constant. So you will get the 0 here. So e raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So here you are getting 0 plus, here you will get, right, this is the time constant, e raised to power 0. So e raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So here you will get tau, and this is like this. Okay, so this tau will get cancelled out, and here you will get e upon R into this upon this. So this will get e upon R. So the time constant value is L upon R, and this is E. So the value are getting E L upon E R square. So this is the value of Q you are getting, that is the total charge flowing in one time constant. So let us see which option is coming here, E L upon E R square. So option 3 is coming. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.